The story of a natural health product breakthrough. Introducing the NUTRIAplus by Lifestyle. NUTRIAplus was developed using the zebrafish model. First natural health product to use zebrafish model for research and development. All research and manufacturing done only in Canada. Zebrafish are excellent for research because they share 70% of the human genetic code. They share 85% of the genes that cause human disease. They are transparent. Researchers can study their cells easily. They are the ideal way to see how nutrients function in the body. They grow quickly and breed rapidly. A few human diseases zebrafish are being used to study. They are cancer, heart disease, diabetes, blood diseases, brain health, allergies, and effects of environmental toxins and pollution. Here are some of the examples of the sites wherein they show that zebrafish was used for their research discoveries. Zebrafish used globally for drug development. So why not for natural health products? Lifestyle partner in zebrafish research. Lifestyles had a Canadian company partner in the zebrafish research known as Essentia Incorporation. The zebrafish used in the NUTRIAplus R&D. Dr. Endra and Lifestyle Senior VP Paul Kramer in the zebrafish lab. The mission is to develop the most powerful natural health product to work synergistically with Intra. Develop a product with proven health benefits for humans. The result? A formulation with proven health benefits. Work with and enhances the benefits of Intra. A natural health breakthrough. NUTRIAplus contains amla, broccoli, carrot, garlic, grapeseed, green tea, prune, beet, spirulina, alpha-lipoic acid, selenium, and vitamin C. We call these 12 ingredients as Synergy 12. Synergy means things that are more powerful when combined than they are separately. NUTRIAplus 12 ingredients are more powerful when combined in this special formulation. That's why we call it Synergy 12. Zebrafish research show proven benefits. Reduce inflammation in the body, root cause of many disease. Prevent and heal skin damage due to mild ultraviolet exposure. Improve tissue repair and regeneration. Prevent abnormal cellular growth, cancer prevention. Anti-aging activity. First is to reduce inflammation. Reduce inflammation in the body, which is the main cause of many disease. Antioxidants in our diets reduce inflammation in our body. This is one of the primary rules of the antioxidants. The NUTRIAplus ingredients all have their own individual antioxidant levels when consumed individually. As you can see in the chart A, NUTRIAplus ingredients. When you take it individually, the TAC, or you call it total antioxidant capacity per serving, is 593. But when NUTRIAplus ingredients, when taken together, their TAC is 880. The NUTRIAplus ingredients have 33% more antioxidants power when they are taken at the same time. In chart B, NUTRIAplus ingredients and intra-liquid. When NUTRIAplus ingredients and intra taken individually, their TAC, or the total oxidant capacity per serving, is 1,177. But when they are taken at the same time, their TAC is 1,489. The antioxidant power is increased to 21% when the NUTRIAplus ingredients and the intra are taken at the same time. So the conclusion is, the real power of the NUTRIAplus ingredients is when they are taken together. That is the results of the synergistic effect. Intra in NUTRIAplus is 105% increase in antioxidant power. So, number 2, sun damage or ultraviolet exposure. NUTRIAplus protect the cell from the damage caused by pollution and sun exposure. So if you can see the figure A, this is a healthy zebra fishtail fin and not exposed to ultraviolet radiation, which is similar to the ultraviolet found in the sunlight. So if you notice it there. And figure B, this shows the healthy zebra fishtail fin exposed to ultraviolet radiation. The darkness of the green stain is the damage being caused to the cells from ultraviolet light. And in figure C, this shows zebrafish being exposed to ultraviolet radiation after consuming NUTRIAplus ingredients. You can see far less dark green cell damage. So the conclusion is, the NUTRIAplus ingredients protect the cell from the damages of ultraviolet radiation. There was 60% eradication of cell damage when the zebrafish consumed the NUTRIAplus ingredients, which is in figure C. Number 3, tissue repair. NUTRIAplus enhanced tissue repair. Help the body recover from injury. If you see in figure A, the tail fin of a healthy zebrafish is removed. Remember, they don't feel pain at this young age. And 2 days later, you can see the normal amount of tissue regeneration. Now let's take a look in figure B. After consuming the NUTRIAplus ingredients, the same tail fin is removed, and 2 days later you can see how much more the tissue was generated. The conclusion is, the results in figure B shows the tissue regeneration in the fish consuming the NUTRIAplus ingredients was 3 more than the control in figure A. Number 4, cancer prevention. NUTRIAplus preventing abnormal cell growth, cancer prevention. In figure A, this shows normal veins formation in the healthy zebra fish not exposed to cancer cells. In figure B, cancer cells is inserted to the zebrafish and the abnormal vein formation starts to support cancer growth, as you can see with the arrows and the circles. Okay, now in figure C, the NUTRIAplus ingredients are fed to the fish. Then cancer cell is inserted. The vein growth to support cancer growth is dramatically reduced, not allowing the cancer cell to multiply as it usually would. Number 5, anti-aging. What is telomere? Telomeres are the essential part of human cells that affect how our cells age. Telomeres are the caps that at the end of each strand of DNA that protects our chromosomes. They are like the plastic tip at the end of the shoelace. So these are the telomeres. And the cells divide over time. Telomeres shorten and eventually cell division stops. Okay. What is the importance of telomeres? Without the coating, shoelaces become frayed until they can no longer do their job. Just as without telomeres, DNA strands became damaged and our cells can't do their job. The result is early aging and poor health. And here is the aging process. Combined with the oxidative stress and ultraviolet rays will result into DNA damage, telomere shortening, cells stop dividing normally, and then the inflammation will come in and it will limit tissue regeneration, and as a result it will accelerate the aging. With the anti-aging activity in NUTRIAplus, this oxidative stress and ultraviolet light will result into no DNA damage, no telomere shortening, resulting into a normal cellular growth, no inflammation, and there will be normal tissue regeneration and anti-aging processes. To experience the benefits of the NUTRIAplus Synergy 12 ingredients, take the product every day with a meal. Minimum of 2 capsules daily. Intra and NUTRIAplus, all ingredients working synergistically, now more than ever better together.